What's something people don't know about AI? It had one of the most bizarre glow-ups in history. Way back in ancient Greece, people dreamt of robots. They had myths about mechanical servants. Think of them as the OG Roombas. Fast forward to the 1950s, when scientists thought, hey, what if we give machines some brains? Cue the birth of AI. In the 90s, AI was like that awkward teenager trying to fit in. It played chess, but couldn't walk and chew gum at the same time. Then, boom, the 21st century rolls in and AI gets a major makeover. Now it's not just playing games, but driving cars, diagnosing diseases, and even writing this script. Talk about a glow-up. And here we are today with AI in our phones, homes, and even refrigerators. Who knew your fridge would become a know-it-all? So next time Siri answers your weird question, remember, AI has come a long way from those ancient myths. Pretty cool, huh?